To enable or disable monthly data limit on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all we need to open the security app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. Now once you open the security app, scroll down a little bit and try to find data usage in common features over here. If you cannot find it in here, you can just simply scroll all the way down and swipe up to open this toolbox, and then definitely you can find data usage in there. And then we're gonna go to settings in the upper right corner, and then you can go to data plan for your SIM. In here we can find the monthly data limit, which we can of course set up quite easily. So let's say I'm gonna set 50 gigabytes for this month. And there we go, that is pretty much all. But if you go back, then you can also enter data usage in case you want to set up how much you have used so far, for example. And you can also manage data usage warning settings in here. There's also the daily data usage limit, so in case you want to use that as well, you can just turn it on in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.